Hello everyone, today I have brought another review video and this time we will be reviewing ASUS VivoBook i5 8th Gaming Core Notebook. So I am going to show you first its specification, and it is available on Flipkart for about 52,990 rupees. As you can see here, these are its specs. I will be discussing them later on in this video. So I received this box early in the morning. So we are going to unbox it live right now. So here it is, its box. So it has got a nice box over here. So I'm going to open its box too. So first we get a nice finished box, and it is looking very sturdy and firm. And here we have the laptop. Let's just take out all the things and then we will check them out. Here are some pamphlets and instruction manuals and a bill. Over here we have got a charger, and it is a 150 watt, so it means it is a pretty fast charger. Over this side we got a power cable which we will connect later in the charger. So let's keep this out. So starting off with the main thing, which is the laptop, of course. So here it is. It looks very nice and got a very nice finish, and it has dual fans at the back too. That's why here are some vents are provided. So I am going to open this too. Here it is. So as you can see here, it has got a nano edge display. That's why it will be very good for your eyes too. It has got a eye care mode too. It has got discrete graphics, that is GTX 1650, 4GB GDDR5 VRAM, and it has got dual fans too. And as you can see here, it is Intel Core i5 8th Gen, of course, of base around 2.3 GHz. So over here you can see that its sound is powered by Harman Kardon, that is also a sponsor for JBL too. And in its keyboard it has got black light, means when you will turn it on, it will have like little white lights blinking under the keyboard and keys. And over here we have got its pamphlet, that is ASUS Premium Care. With this laptop in box, you will get around like 1 year warranty, and you can still extend it about 2 years with some discount, of course. Then over here we have got some services. You can sync your phone and PC to this laptop and just transfer the things, all of what you want to do. Then here we have got some instruction manuals. You can read all these and then on.
Start.
Okay, so we have booted up the laptop, and it is very fast, I have to say that, as it has got 512 gigs of SSD in it, which is pretty fast as compared to HDD. It hardly takes 10 to 15 seconds in order to boot up, and it has got 8 gigs of RAM too. So over here it has got a fingerprint sensor too, so you don't have to every time log in with your pin code, which you have to in a normal PC which doesn't have this feature. You can just keep your finger on it and boom, it will open. So as I was telling you about the backlight and the keyboard, here it is. You have to press this F7 key. Here it is. You can adjust its brightness too. So it is first level, then this is second, and this is third level. This is the maximum brightness you can get, and it is pretty handy for using it at night when there is no light around. And other than that, I have to say that it has a very nice design. It is very kind of sleek, as well as it has got a good finish too. So this laptop is overall very good, and I surely recommend you to buy this laptop. It is available only on Flipkart for around sale price of 52,990 rupees, and I think this is going to be go out of stock because it is the best laptop in its range. And other than that, that's pretty much about this laptop, and thank you. And if you like the video, do subscribe and share this video, and we will be bringing more reviews in the near future. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I forgot one thing, that I'll be sharing its link in the description too. So if you want, you can check that out too. Thank you.